Hi everyone, I wanted to make a video on the latest Asgardex release. 1.30 is now out. It contains a bunch of fixes as well as some improvements that I'll go through, and you can download the latest version from here or from the website asgardex.com. So here's the latest. I'm using a Linux Ubuntu version that I'm running off WSL, so the icons might look a little bit different to Windows. So this is the updated interface, and the main thing, I guess starting from the top, is the idea of the DEX switch has been removed. It uses the Xchain aggregator package in order to, in a way, try and seamlessly combine the DEXs, and this will be important for when chain flip is added. So when you're looking at this, you're going to get the both prices for Maya and THORChain. You don't need a switch. And when you're doing swapping, which we'll go through, it's going to have a look at the best route and just tell you what DEX is behind the scene. But this just enables more of a seamless flow. So from here, there's been also a few things changed here. So this has been collapsed a touch. You still got your copy, you've got your refresh, as well as you can get your QR code and address there. So these icons have been updated a touch. You still have your expand and collapse and stuff like that. When you go over to LP shares, this is where the DEX switching does come in, because Maya and THORChain support LPing, so you can then switch between your positions here. But obviously for trade assets, savers and rune pool, that doesn't have that. Bonds doesn't have it as well, just because this is for THORChain only, but that'll probably come when Maya bonds gets implemented soon. It does have it for the history as well, so you can switch between your history and stuff like that, and then obviously you switch between your chain, switch between the type, and all that type of stuff. There's been some work done in the last couple of releases around the history. Right, so getting back to the main change, and that'll be the swap. So if you were to go, I'll just swap around here, it's going to tell you which DEX it's using. It's using THORChain. You don't have to like go switch the DEX, then go to the swap page, and then because you want to do Maya or whatever. And then if you wanted to say, oh, I want to go to Rune and Soul, it's going to select obviously THORChain. If I wanted to do Kakar, then it's going to select Maya as well. And then it'll start, it will find the best route for it. So, well, if I did Ethereum, maybe if I just do ETH, you'll find the best way for it. So it could be THORChain, it could be Maya. It's going to test it and find out. Obviously, as I said, what's here, and then it's going to have the swap details all available to you as well. Clearly says it's free, so it's free for anything under $1,001. So all that's the same, just that you don't have to select the DEX, which is pretty cool. The portfolio stuff is you can swap, because this changes the LP positions here, and maybe like later we can get it consolidated across all the DEX, but at the moment that's why the DEX switching is here for the LP part. And then if we go to pools, you're also going to have the DEX switching over here, so you can look at the different pools within Mayachain and THORChain, and they have different filters over here as well. So a lot of work's been done there. That's been the main part of it. Obviously you've got the links here, the links update depending on what you do when you do a transaction. So like if you do a Mayachain swap, then the link goes to Mayachain. If you do a THORChain swap, then obviously that goes to RuneScan. So then we have the settings. Not much has changed here. You still got your whitelist for your EVM chains that work across both DEXs, and you have your chain management, so you can turn chains on and off that you're not interested in. So they're the changes. I hope you found that useful. Let me know your thoughts. Put your comments in the comment section below. I know in the next releases, there's planned to be secured assets, chain flip integration, as well as adding node support for Mayachain as well. So thanks for watching. Hope you found that useful. Until next time, bye.